I came to the meditation path in my 20s because I felt my life was lacking meaning. Even though I was I was successful as a businesswoman, I still felt this emptiness and this lack of meaning in my life. So anyway, I met up with some great teachers and I plunged in, and I feel like my life has been transformed by meditation. In particular, I think what meditation does for everyone is it creates a space in their minds. So when things happen in life, you don't have to habitually respond like everyone does. You have enough space to think about how you want to respond. So for example, if something happens, you feel yourself getting mad or angry, instead of lashing out, reacting that way, now I can actually watch the anger arise in my mind. I just watch it, and then I think, nope, I don't want to go there. Because it just makes the situation frozen, people get their feelings hurt, and if I just remain spacious, things work out in a much more peaceful way. The end.